How to use Nearby Share from Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can use Android's Nearby Share feature. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. So let's begin. Now you can use Quick Share or Nearby Share to send files to an iPhone or any other Android device. And you can share your files just like AirDrop on iPhone and other iOS devices. So what you'll need to do for that is find the content that you want to share. So you can open up a photo, link, or a contact. I'll just open up my gallery for a photo. Long press on the photo. Then you can see the share button. Tap on the share button. After you do that, you'll find the quick share option at the bottom left. Tap on it. After that, you'll need to turn on your Bluetooth. So turn it on and wait for iPhone or any other Android devices to appear in the list right here. After that, tap on it, and after you tap on the device, it will be shared. And it's that simple. Now, that's how you do it, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.